Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we are going to discuss chapter 6, which is managing social media. So this is the course outline, which is the definition of social media, types of social media frameworks, guideline using social media, and also types of learning social media. This is the definition of social media, which is forms of electronic communication such as a website for social networking and microblogging, through which users create online communities to share information, ideas, personal message, and other content such as video. Sekarang banyak orang share gunakan video lah, lebih senang nak tengok kan, berbanding post. Dan orang buat content melalui video-video dekat TikTok, dekat YouTube, short video such as ni kan. So social media is the future of communication, a countless array of internet-based tools and platforms that increase and enhance the sharing of information. This new form of media makes the transfer of text, photos, audios, video, and information in general increasingly fluid among internet users. Social media has relevant not only for regular internet user but business as well. Sekarang bukan kita je guna, orang biasa je guna. Sekarang ni nak buat business pun kena ada skills untuk menggunakan social media. Platform like Twitter, Facebook and LinkedIn have created online communities where people can share as much or as little personal information as they desire with other members. The result is an enormous amount of information that can be easily shared, searched, promoted, disputed and created. So this is the 10 types of social media, which is social networking sites, media sharing network, discussion networks, bookmarking and content curation networks, consumer review networks, blogging and publishing networks, interest-based networks, social shopping networks, sharing economy networks, and also the last one is anonymous social network. So this is the social media framework, which is divided into two, which is engagement and strategy development. Which is for the strategy development, they have the prioritized objective, establish governance, define activities. For the engagement is listen, engage in conversation, measure and refine. Okay. So for learn using the social media, which is for yourself, to study relevant case studies, educate senior executive, hear from practitioner, explore the latest trend. Kita belajar ni bersebab lah pasal social media ni, untuk gunaan kita sendiri, untuk educate senior executive yang biasanya orang yang lebih berumur ni, dia kurang berminat dan dia kurang tahu bagaimana kita ni boleh belajar sendiri dan boleh ajar dekat dia orang juga. Dan kita boleh belajar daripada orang-orang yang lebih mahir dalam social media, dan also explore the latest trend. Tengoklah, kita boleh tengok sendiri kan trend-trend terkini, apa yang sedang trending dekat negara kita. Okay. So for the engagement, which is listen, identify relevant social media monitoring tools, learn how you can best use the tools, discover what's said about you and your markets, find relevant communities and conversation, uncover key influencer. Saya dah terangkan rasanya hari tu. Then engagement in conversation, join lah any conversation untuk dapatkan konten-konten, untuk dapatkan information, untuk engage dengan influencer, belajar dan ambil tahu penggunaan social media tu sendiri. Then for measure and refine, set relevant measure of success, monitor measure, capture and communicate success story, report to senior executive, refine your strategy and measure. Kita perlu adalah panggil KPI ataupun pengukur kita punya pencapaian ataupun kita punya goals, untuk minggu pertama nak buat apa kan, berjaya ke tak, macam tu. Then prioritize objective improve customer ni untuk businesses lah. Prioritize objective improve customer engagement, enhance brand and reputation management, accelerate customer driven innovation, attract talented employees and also increase sales. Establish governance, identify opportunity, understand risk, clarify risk of not engaging, set clear social media policies and also communicate policies internally. Untuk strategi development, kita perlu ada strategi lah dalam bukan guna social media ni saja-saja, dia perlu ada strategi. Macam mana nak gain kita punya follower, nak tambahkan lagi follower kan. Apa yang kita perlu buat, kita perlu ada customer service ke tak kan. Macam-macam lah untuk menjayakan kita punya objektif. Okay. Define activity, define first and subsequent phases, target initial platform, identify resources required, establish responsibilities and time commitment, link to offline marketing activities. Kita perlu adalah aktiviti macam saya kata tadi lah, untuk bulanan kita punya target tu apa, untuk tahunan 6 bulan sekali ataupun setiap 5 tahun tu apa kita punya objektif. Jadi kita bolehlah capai, kita boleh tengok kita dah capai ke belum kita punya objektif atau aktiviti kita cadangkan tu dah berjalan ataupun belum, berkesan ataupun tidak. Macam tu. Then guideline using social media. The first one is use common sense and good judgment. You are accountable for your action and your statement could have an impact on others. Remember that what you post or publish may be public information for a long time. Pastikan kita ni nak post apa-apa tu berfikir dulu, jangan main letak sahaja sebab kita tak tahu orang yang tengok tu daripada lapisan umur tahap mana, sama ada bawah umur ataupun sesuai ke tak. Kita tengok pula you punya content tu racist ke apa ke, tapi pastikan use your common sense and good judgment. Okay, don't post information or news that you know is false. If you realize that you have made mistake or error, correct it quickly. Jangan post information ataupun berita-berita yang you rasa tak betul ataupun fake lah. Boleh jadi boleh ditahan disebabkan penyampaian berita yang tidak sahih, yang salah. Boleh jadi fitnah. Okay, tahu salah, kita perlulah buatlah contoh permohonan maaf secara terbuka. And then be respectful, always be fair and courteous, be sensible when posting, avoid using statement, photo, video or audio that reasonably could be reviewed as malicious, obscene, threatening or intimidating, that disparage customer, co-worker or supplier, or that might constitute harassment or bullying. Janganlah kita gunakan platform social media ni sebagai tempat untuk kita spread the haters, sebarkan benda-benda yang tak patut, untuk bully ke kan, kita tak tahu apa kesan-kesan, kita pun tahu apa kesan-kesan benda-benda macam ni kan, sangatlah tidak bagus. Boleh macam kita bully orang tu, panggil cyberbullying kan, tak elok. Okay, then be transparent, be clear about your role. If you have vested interest in what you are discussing, be the first to openly say so. Maintain the confidentiality of business and proprietary information. Don't externally disclose, post or share business-related confidential information or communication. Respect intellectual property's right, which is show proper respect for copyright, trademark and other intellectual property right of our companies and others. And minimize security risk. To minimize this risk, use a password for social media account that is not easy to guess. Monitor your social media account periodically if you don't actively use them. Also be mindful that social media sites sometimes are used to distribute malicious software or code or malware. Pastikan guna password yang susah untuk diteka. Jangan gunakan ABC123. Senanglah untuk orang teka dan senanglah untuk orang akses kita punya social media. Dan berhati-hatilah, jangan sesekali tekan link yang tak tahu dari mana sources dia tu, sebab kadang-kadang tu dengan hanya tekan link je kita punya laptop ataupun devices tu boleh masuk virus. Dan segala jenis information, the private information, duit-duit kita tu boleh lesap. Okay. So this is the types of learning social media, which is intra-organizational learning, IOL, formal structures learning, FSL, group directed learning, GDL, personal directed learning, PDL, and the last one is accidental and serendipitous learning, ASL. Inilah 5 jenis learning social media, types of learning social media. So for the intra-organizational learning, IOL, there is also the bigger organizational learning picture. This is where employees cooperate with one another by sharing information and resources inside the organization, as well as generally keeps each other up to date and up to speed on strategy and other internal initiative and activities. Ni pembelajaran dalam kita punya organisasi. Orang luar tak boleh masuk campur dan tak boleh menerima informasi yang sama macam pekerja-pekerja yang ada dalam organisation tu. Dekat situ, dia gunakan social media tu sebagai salah satu platform untuk dia bahagikan file, project tender, project management activities kan. Jadi orang luar tak boleh tahulah. Okay. So the use of IOL is the use of social media for IOL is the use of blogging by senior manager and project leaders to provide a perspective on organizational policies or to disseminate information about current initiative around the organization, which others can comment and feedback on. The use of private micro-sharing service where colleagues can keep each other updated with their news and activities. The creation of collaborative resource or knowledge base which all employees can contribute to. The creation of an organizational communities or network where employees can establish contact with colleagues who may be remotely located, as well as enable easy communication and collaboration between them. For file sharing in the organization, where employees create and share or else find and view podcasts, document, etc. which they carry for others. Maksudnya dia punya akses tu hanya kepada pekerja dia sahajalah. Pekerja organisation atau pekerja company tu sahaja. Macam untuk kita bagi pendapat atau bertanya soalan tu, semua employees tu free to answer the question ataupun giving their opinion. Tapi orang lain tak boleh lah. Orang luar tak boleh. Hanya kepada pekerja organisasi tersebut sahaja. So, for the formal structure learning, FSL, social media is being used to improve engagement in classroom or online courses. Its use varies from wrapping social activities around existing online content to a fully collaborative approach to learning so that the learner is a full and active participant in the learning. Macam kita gunakan future tu lah. Kan? Kita guna untuk belajar online kan, ataupun nak ambil bahan-bahan online. Jadi tak perlulah nak gunakan WhatsApp. Tapi kita boleh gunakan kita punya future. Sebab itulah UiTM dah ciptakan future tu lagi senang. Nak jawab soalan, nak jawab test, nak buat apa lagi, nak hantar assignment boleh. Nak buka online libraries kan. So example of the use of social media for FSL include building a collaborative library of course link in a social bookmarking tools, creating course or class blog with learners, writing learning in blog, using wikis to create collaborative course learning spaces where all learners can participate and interact with one another, sharing of course presentation, video, etc., which are often embedded in blog or web pages, using microblogging services for disseminating post news and tips, using social networks to create learning communities and to enable easy communication and enrich learning experience. Samalah macam kita gunakan library tu kan, OPEC tu ke, kita guna Your Future, I Discuss, I Learn, macam-macam lah yang berkait dengan learning social media. Kita guna juga Google Classroom, sama juga tu. So then, this is the group directed learning. With this is where group of individuals, example group and project team, study group or communities of practice works or learn together. GDL is an extension of PDL, where group use social media tools to share information, resources and experience with one another. Self-organizing groups of employees are using a variety of social media tools to provide the functionality they need to collaborate and work and learn together, or even for coaching or mentoring purposes. Ni untuk kumpulan lah ataupun sekumpulan pekerja ataupun orang yang meminati hobi yang sama ataupun pekerjaan yang sama, geng-geng programmer contohnya, geng-geng librarian ataupun study group bersama member kan, communities macam tu. So example of use of social media for GDL includes the use of group space or social networks to store and share ideas, experience, resources and contact. Macam kita gunakan Facebook lah, tanya apa pengalaman apa semua kan. Yang senior-senior boleh terangkan lah, dia akan bagilah pengalaman dia bekerja sebagai programmer di tempat ni contohnya kan. Ataupun orang yang berpengalaman lah, yang share pasal dia punya pengalaman mendaki gunung contohnya. Then the use of collaborative tools to work together on common document or to brainstorm together. Okay, the use of social bookmarking tools to create bookmarks or for the teams or project. The use of private microblogging tools to talk in real time about work issue, ask question or college and join works group. Ni untuk company-company pun boleh gunakan kan. Untuk tanya soalan berdasarkan projek-projek yang diterima kan. Dapat projek buat bangunan contohnya, kita bolehlah buat meeting contohnya kan. Nak membincangkan tentang dia punya bajet, nak guna kontraktor mana contohnya. Then personal directed learning. This is where individuals are using social media to organize and manage their own personal or professional learning. A large number of people are now making significant use of social media tools to build their own personal learnings or knowledge networks, aka PLN or PKN. Although they may not realize this is what they are doing in order to access their own trusted learning resources or connect with people whose opinion they value. Sekarang kita gunakan kita punya social media sendiri. Macam contohnya influencer ke, influencer kan, Insta famous, dia gunakan dia punya social media tu untuk improve dia punya engagement dengan, tak kisahlah dia punya target market ke, target audience dia kan. Lagi contoh dia ni macam target dia penonton dia tu ataupun penghuni follower tu adalah dari kanak-kanak contohnya. Buat konten pasal kanak-kanak ni pula pasal makeup. Dia punya target audience dia mestilah perempuan-perempuan muda contohnya. Yang minat motor, buat konten motor, review motor tu untuk lelaki dan golongan yang berminat lah pasal tu. Okay. Dan kita boleh menjana duit juga disebabkan penggunaan social media ni. Okay. Example of use of social media for PDL includes joining social media to interact with others, ask and answer questions, start discussion and build a personal or personal networking. Contohnya kita gunakan Facebook lah. Kita join any discussion ataupun group. In case you nak tahu something kan, you bolehlah tanyakan ataupun start the discussion with the other members of the group. Using micro-sharing services to share their own daily information as well as people follow the share tips, guideline and tools. Kan? Macam ada juga yang orang panggil influencer tu jenis suka share tips-tips cari kerja, share tips melancong, share tips kecantikan, pakai produk apa kan. Dia share. Dia ada lah dia punya blog sendiri ataupun website sendiri. Okay. Using a social bookmarking tools to find the best sources of information about what subject, which is contohnya crowdsource learning. Using an RSS reader to subscribe to blog and web feeds to keep updated with what is happening in their field of interest. Okay, macam kita subscribe berita harian lah. Nak tengok berita-berita terkini apa yang sedang berlaku hari-hari kan. Jadi tak apalah pagi tu nak start motor pergi cari surat khabar dekat kedai. Just subscribe RSS reader ni. Dan kita dapatlah news setiap hari. Okay. Then the last one is accidental and serendipitous learning, ASL. This is where individuals learn without consciously realizing it and is also known as incidental or random learning or even learning at the water cooler. Although accidental learning can take place in any of the above scenario, as well as in other personal or professional setting, some individual likes to take advantage of possible serendipitous learning that might occur. Macam kita belajar tanpa sedar. Okay. Macam secara tiba-tiba, spontan. Tak ada orang ajar pun tapi kita, macam ni rupanya, macam ni rupanya kita nak update status contohnya. Macam ni rupanya kita nak tukar DP WhatsApp kita. Orang tak ajar pun kita tak hapus sebelum tapi kita godek-godek. Dah dapat dah. Macam ni rupanya. Itulah pembelajaran secara spontan. Okay. Example of the use of social media for ASL include finding out about new things by using micro-sharing services, joining social networks, viewing photo sharing, video sharing or presentation sharing services. Finding links to resources in a social bookmarking sites that can help prompt ideas and creativity. Kita buat secara spontan. Kita tiba-tiba rasa macam mana kita nak edit video dalam setengah application tu. Kita cari sendirilah. Pembelajaran secara sendiri dan secara spontan. Okay, that's all for chapter 6. Okay, don't forget to answer the question that I will give later. Thank you.